I am from Gauras Maths Hub. I shall explain question number 15 that has been taken from exercise 6.2, chapter 6, application of derivative of NCERT 12 mathematics. The question is, let I be any interval disjoint from open interval -1 comma 1 open interval. Later, prove that the function f given by f of x equal to x plus 1 over x is strictly increasing on I. Now come out to solution here. Solution implied that here I shall write given that f of x equal to x plus 1 over x. Here I shall write implied that f of x equal to x plus 1 over x. Again implied that f of x equal to x plus x raised to the power -1. Here 1 over x can be written as x raised to the power -1. Here I shall write differentiating f of x with respect to x. We shall get d over dx of f of x equal to d over dx of x plus d over dx of x raised to the power -1. Again it will become implied that here d over dx of f of x comes out to be f dash of x. Here f dash of x is the first order derivative of f of x equal to d over dx of x comes out to be 1 plus d over dx of x raised to the power -1 comes out to be -1 dot x raised to the power -1 -1. So here I shall write f dash of x equal to 1 minus x raised to the power -2, implied that f dash of x equal to 1 minus 1 over x square I shall write. Again I shall write implied that f dash of x equal to take LCM as x square. So here I can write 1 over 1. The x square here it comes out to be x square minus 1. This thing we have got. So we have got here implied that f dash of x equal to x square minus 1 whole over x square. This thing we have got. Here prove that the function f given by f of x equal to x plus 1 over x is strictly increasing. So here I shall write, since f of x is strictly increasing, then since f of x is strictly increasing, then f dash of x will be greater than 0. This is the theorem you must remember. When f of x is strictly increasing, then first order derivative of f of x will be greater than 0. This is the theorem you must remember. Now I shall discuss about I. I be any interval disjoint. So here I shall write the interval open interval -1, comma 1 open interval implied that x belong to open interval -1, comma 1 open interval. Implied that x is not equal to -1, comma x is not equal to 1, but -1 less than x less than 1. This is the definition of open interval -1, comma 1 open interval. Implied that x belong to open interval -1, comma 1 open interval. Implied that here open interval is there, open interval -1. The x will not be equal to -1, and here also one open interval is there. So x will not be equal to 1, but value of x will be greater than -1 but less than 1. This theorem is applicable. Here I shall write, this is the theorem you must remember. Now, since the interval is disjoint, since the interval is disjoint. Now since the interval is disjoint, then x will be less than -1. Here you can see the value of x is greater than -1, but the interval is disjoint. That's why the value of x will be less than -1. In this case, then f dash x will be greater than 0. And again, x greater than 1. Here you can see x is less than 1. Since the interval is disjoint, that's why x will be greater than 1. Then also f dash x will be greater than 0. This will be condition. So here f dash of x is greater than 0, here f dash x is greater than 0, but interval is disjoint. Interval is disjoint. Value of x, here it says x less than minus 1, implied that x equal to minus 2. Let since the interval is disjoint, x is less than minus 1. So here same thing I have reflected here. X is less than minus 1, implied that x will be equal to minus 2, because the value of x is less than minus 1. माइनस 1 से x का वैल्यू लेस, माइनस 1 से x का वैल्यू लेस, तो आई हैव लेट x इक्वल टू माइनस 2 इज लेस देन minus 1. So what to do here? Put x is equal to minus 2 in f dash of x equal to x square minus 1 over x square, implied that f dash in place of x I shall write minus 2 equal to, in place of x I shall write minus 2, तो here write minus 2 का whole square minus 1 over, in place of x write minus 2, तो minus 2 का whole square, implied that f dash of minus 2 equal to, here you will get minus 2 का whole square comes out to be 4, 4 minus 1, and here you will get minus 2 का whole square 4, comes out to be f dash of minus 2 equal to 4 minus 1 comes out to be 3 over 4. 3 over 4 greater than 0. Greater than 0. So here you have got f dash of x is greater than 0. This thing we have got. Where the value of x is equal to minus 2, I have taken. F dash of minus 2 is equal to 3 over 4. 3 over 4 will be greater than 0. Hence f dash of x will be greater than 0. Now I shall take this one. Now the value of x greater than 1, implied that x is equal to 2. Let value of x is greater than 1. 1 से greater value of x will be x equal to 2. I have let. Similarly, here I shall write, put x equal to 2 in f dash of x equal to x square minus 1 over x square, implied that f dash in place of x write 2 equal to 2 का होल स्क्वायर -1 over 2 का होल स्क्वायर implied that f dash of 2 equal to 2 का होल स्क्वायर comes out to be 4 4 minus 1 whole over 4 comes out to be f dash of 2 equal to 3 over 4 greater than 0. So here again you have got implied that f dash of x greater than 0. In this case also. This case I have applied here. This case I have applied here. In both cases you can see f dash of x is greater than 0. Here in second case also I have put x equal to 2. In this case also f dash x is greater than 0. So hence I can write very well. Hence f of x is strictly increasing. This is the symbol of increasing. Hence f of x is strictly increasing on I. That thing you have to write. This is the proper explanation and solution of question number 15. Exercise 6.2 that has been taken from chapter 6 application of derivative NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.